build an audience. They're gonna see the cell phone go over the Hoover Dam live. It's gonna go live off the Hoover Dam. This is gonna be a great live, isn't it?
Yes.
All right, well, we're gonna drop the phone 800 feet. It says danger, keep off the wall, but we're gonna go ahead and throw the cell phone. If we get 500 people on this live, I will drop the cell phone down the Hoover Dam. So y'all gotta get some folks. 500 we gotta get to see the cell phone drop down the Hoover Dam. I might get in trouble at a park. It could get interesting. What's up, Victoria? What's up, Matthew? Gary? Y'all gotta taunt us. You think we're gonna drop it? 500
you're gonna
people?
throw me over the dam.
Uh-oh. This could get interesting. We're gonna watch. If we get to 500, I'm not giving this. I mean, this is a risky endeavor. For me to drop this phone off the Hoover Dam. Probably gonna get a fine.
You got a time limit?
I will. I promise you, Rick James, if I get 500 people, and
10 minutes.
I'm gonna tell you right now, that's Louisiana time, so I'm gonna give it till 5 after. And if I get 500, I'll go get a new phone. I hope really we don't get 500 because it's going to be ugly if my cloud's not backed up. This will not be good. There's only 15. 16 people at the Hoover Dam live. Yeah. We might get to 500. Might. We might. Tell Trace we got to get to 500.
Selfie.
Oh, you do?
Picture. Renee's trying to take pictures of people, and she doesn't. She's probably not the best photographer.
Can you see
Oh wait, no, it's still me.
Oh,
You got to turn it around, Renee. You have an iPhone.
Did it switch?
No, it likes
Jason,
me.
come on, man.
Exactly. Must be reset. There we go.
There we go.
I do not
It's
want
very
to buy a
cute,
new
Jack.
phone, Jason.
Thank
I'm
you.
sorry.
See the
So I
back?
got to put a
I can
number
see-
out
I
there.
can
There's
see the
24.
bridge.
Okay.
Right now.
That's looking down. No! I thought it'd be a really good. All right, Cynthia. The phone is going to drop. Hey, thanks for the confidence there, Rick. Appreciate you. You never know. I've seen things go up pretty quick. Looks like I don't know how many we have right now. Let's look. I'm dropping the phone if I get 500 people on this live stream. Yep. Gotta have 500. See what time it is. We only got 7 minutes. 7 minutes. I'm shutting it down. Hope y'all are having an awesome day. Chris. No, this is like a federal place, isn't it? I could probably get in trouble. What do you mean I'm delaying, Jack? I said if I get 500 people on this stream, I will drop the phone live on this stream. So, all I'm telling you, let's see if we get to 500. If we do, I will honor the deal. I will honor the phone and drop it. It will be one of the most epic lives that you'll ever seen. I'm telling you, if you get all the people sharing, I'm telling you, it could grow pretty quick. We'll see. People are like, yeah, right, he's gonna do it. All right, I got till 5 after. And if we get 500, I will drop the phone down the dam. Live stream. Hope everybody's having an awesome Thursday. Renee's over here playing the picture for all the tourists. at her. You think so, Chris? I don't think they are. It would just be kind of a accident. You can't do nothing if it's an accident and I accidentally drop it. So, this is the other side of the bridge. Not as far of a drop. It wouldn't be as awesome to see it go down the other way. The other side's 800 feet.
It's a moment in time you'll never forget.
And I don't know, man. This time's moving slow is all I know. I'm hoping we don't get to 500 because I promise you, 500 people, I will drop this stream.
There's Jack.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Seattle.
Seattle?
We're just in New Orleans.
Renee's making friends. Imagine that.
Yeah. Got a cutie here.
Yeah. I'm just right there.
So Tatum, I saw you come in. I'm at the Hoover Dam. I have said if we get to 500 people on this stream, I will drop this cell phone off the Hoover Dam, streaming live. Thanks for the information, Chuck. That is a little too much information. Well, it doesn't look like it's going to happen. It's almost 4 o'clock in Nevada. This time is moving slow. Obviously, my watch isn't the right date. All right, I'll tell you what. If we get 150 in the next 3 minutes, I will drop the phone live off the bridge. These people are like, what is going on?
Are you really waiting to see if he does it? Come on, guys. Yeah.
She's like, this would be awesome. Oh God, it's growing. Oh no, here we go. I should have bought it. Oh no, it's growing. No, 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 no. Doesn't happen. I really do. I know Grant Cardone's talked about dropping his phone off the 40th story of his place.
How we doing?
We got 30 something. I told them I would go to 150. If they get 150, 150, and it's growing. Oh no, it's growing.
Okay.
Oh no.
See, Jack drinks smart water, and he's going to make a smart decision here by throwing his phone off the Hoover Dam. Well,
I have the insurance, Chris. I mean, it's all backed up to the cloud. I used to be worried, but it's already done. The cloud. Where's the cloud, Renee?
in the sky, Jack. Look.
This is the cloud, actually. They told us on the dam that the Hoover Dam is where the cloud is. Isn't that what they said?
Yeah.
Put it in the box. All right, well, I wish we had gotten to 150. We still have 2 minutes. It is possible. We'll see, folks.
Stuck in a dam.
Where?
Down there.
Ooh, there's momos. Let's zoom in on them.
2 ducks.
I'm glad that I don't have
Ducks in a dam.
my license here. I'd be down there getting them suckers. Mac, 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 mac.
A wonderful view of all that out there.
That's right. It is beautiful out here. You can see the water line at one time. It's about 50 feet. And it's down on the Lake Mead side. Hoover Dam, the rock, all the power coming off this. The bridge. We've seen some punch buggies. Let's go back to the other side. We're gonna wait the last 2 minutes to see if we can get to 150. And if we get to 150, I will fumble the iPhone. 800
He needs
feet.
to.
Not happening. Throw
He
Renee's
is not
phone.
detached
Tara
from
McHenry.
the phone.
Tara said,
Hey, Tara. Wish you were here. What did Tara say?
throw the Rolex, Ryan Jones says. Yeah, right. Alright, look, what's that? Look at that thing.
No.
Right on the edge. you.
It's not focusing.
That's right on the edge, people. Chris Patterson says throw Renee. Yeah, right.
Who's that? Thank you, Chris.
I could call and change the beneficiaries real quick to
who?
Jack.
Oh, yeah,
I think
right.
that would be suspicious.
I'll throw you down.
Gary Giffen says jump. Oh, wow. That's so kind, Gary.
No,
Thank
Gary. I need someone to buy my meal tomorrow night.
It's 6:05. So, you know, I gave you. You know, the good thing about live is you could post something like drop the phone off of the bridge.
Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam, not just the bridge, but the dam. So hope y'all have an awesome day. Gave y'all a shot to see live streaming, dropping 800 feet to catastrophe, and probably a little trouble. But I was going to see if it would work. It didn't. I guess I don't have many friends out there. Y'all have an awesome day. See ya.